Now it's episode 1. Trying to live that vlog life. Welcome back to my channel. Is it? Oh, it is. Ah, my bad. Oh my god. Perfect. That's the B-roll we all need. Onward. California. Oh, too early. But anyways, California. Oh, I call Nevada this line. Oh. Hello everyone, welcome back. We made it. We're in Nevada! Missing our room. Our room. After you. Hello everybody. Room tour time of our Nevada hotel. The bathroom. I don't know what this is. The body. I'm just kidding. And wow, look at that. Now let's take a look at that view. Of nothing. Perfect view right here. Oh, me too. Oh my god. That's beautiful. Ow. Anyways, that was a wonderful room tour. Thanks for joining me on my channel. I'm gonna take a nap now. Oh god, the light! The light! That was the worst decision of my life. Good morning! Oh, that's light. We're officially awake. I'm trying to get the lighting. Okay. Today is day 1 of our vacation. I'm just waiting for my friend. And then we're gonna go downstairs, eat breakfast. And then we're gonna go hiking at the, what is this called? Go hiking at the We're gonna go hiking at the historic railroad trail, and then we're gonna go down to Arizona to kayak at the Emerald Caves, and then we're gonna go back to the Hoover Dam, and then that's our day for today. That's super exciting. Lots of exercising, but it's supposed to be really cold. I'm sweating right now, but it said it's like 53 degrees outside, and I know that's cold, so wish us luck. Vacation hack number 1: go to a place that gives free breakfast because you'll save a lot of money. Toast. That's hot. All right, and we're off. We are now going to the Hoover Dam Railroad Trail. Let's go. take a look at the view, shall we? All right, ready, steady, go. Let's go! Good morning! We have just arrived to the historic railroad trail we're about to embark on. Dude, it's exciting. Oh, I knew that. And we're off! Hello, welcome back. We are in the tunnel. Hello. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I'm not your friend. Oh. We found 3 tunnels. We were only expecting to find 1, so that's a plus for us. But there's total, I think, 5, but it's 7 miles long, and we're not going 7 miles because we have stuff to do. But 3 out of 5, not bad. Here, high five. Yeah! We just finished our hiking trip to the secret tunnel! And now...
And we did not get lost.
We didn't, because we have maps this whole time, I promise. Now it's time to kayak. We're in Arizona! And there's the Grand Canyon. Dude, it's just nothing but nothing. We are here on our second adventure. My hair looks crazy. We are on Willow Beach, Arizona. Let's go! right. So if we want to go left, she said right toe. Okay. Okay, left foot right. Left foot right? I mean, right foot left, right foot left, right foot left, right foot left. Okay, you just tell me what foot and then I'll go the opposite with my arm, okay? Okay. Oh god. Yes. Hold on. Okay, there. So let's go straight, okay? I guess stop. Okay, ready? Okay, right. Left. Oh, right. I mean, now that I can enjoy the beauty now that we caught up, it's very nice. Oh, there's Lynn. Do you see yourself? We are about to go into a cave. It's up there, but we're waiting our turn. We're the slowest in the group, but you know what? Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. Let's take a look at that green water. That's luscious. Okay, saving. Alright, we're back with the GoPro. Now that I changed the battery, we made it. Our arms are dying.
Jill fell in.
No, I didn't. But fun fact, we're out of gas. So we're gonna have to pay for some expensive gas till we get to Hoover Dam. So thanks for staying tuned with us. Alright, let's go. Hello, we're back on the last adventure of our trip for the day, and that is the Hoover Dam. Damn. I'm just kidding. Did you know that Arizona doesn't do daylight saving time? So right now it's 3:53 in Las Vegas or Nevada, but if you go to Arizona, it's actually 4:53. What, mind blown! And that's your Arizona fact for the day. Hey Lynn, how much do we trust in this GoPro stick? Okay, trust it. All right, ready? Go! Just kidding, I don't trust it that much. Oof, my hair. I only have about like 6 minutes left of video recording on this SD card before I have to switch over. And it's already day 1 has ended. And I'm a little nervous because I only have 64 gigs left on my other SD card. And we still have 2 days left. But anyways, hiking and kayaking and more hiking and more hiking has ended, and it's only 6:30 and I'm exhausted and I'm tired. I feel like an old grandma. This is the last night in Henderson, and then in the morning we're gonna be driving to Valley of Fire and then Utah the next day, and then we have an 8-hour trek back to Las Vegas. But this is our last night in Henderson. It's been good. It's been great. See you next time.